Hey guys, and welcome. I think this might be my last stream for Discord that goes on YouTube this year. And if I don't get to see you before that, I of course want to wish you a fabulous Christmas and all the best in New Year's. However, I really hope you're going to join me this Thursday with Bleeding Crypto for a live on my YouTube. And we can wish you all the best once again, and of course share as much as possible amazing alpha and knowledge that myself and Bleeding Crypto have. We make those streams for you. We want you to learn as much as possible and kick off the next bull run with a ton of knowledge. Just a quick reminder that these updates on Bitcoin are sponsored by 8cap, my favorite broker, regulated guys from Oz with amazing liquidity, spread, and low fees. Give them a like, give them a follow, and if you want to join, my link is in the description. So that's it. All the official part is done. I really hope you enjoyed this stream. Let's kick off with Bitcoin and follow up with the alts. I'm not going to spend a lot of time here looking at Bitcoin. I think currently there isn't a lot to say. If you haven't caught up with the recent lives I have done with Bleeding Crypto, please do so. They're definitely full of information in terms of cycles, market moves, possible predictions. Loads and loads of information in there. I'm going to just kind of go over real quick on a weekly, and maybe you check out a smaller time frame. Just gonna give us again an idea what we're looking at. This chart is a weekly chart which we'll have here, and I remember I removed a lot of lines of this particular one, but I spent many weeks ago time looking for those yellow boxes that I'm famous or infamous for, whichever one you think. But they actually do work. Nothing really more to it, but looking for liquidity. This is not, again, guys, to scare you. It's just to prepare you. And I've drawn this yellow line here, which is around 13,500, 13,400. So what I was talking about were just the two lines. I put them on a clean chart just to give you an idea where in around 13,400 on this particular chart. I've put in like a little notification here. It's actually July, I believe, just in around January, 2018, that little high here, that month, where it hit and just failed to hold, obviously, and we saw a further drop. And this is in general the area I'll be looking at for some sort of reaction. I think many people have that line. I know it's not a very strong resistance here, support here, but if we get volatility, it would be an interesting level to maybe just get a nice trade around here. However, like we're seeing right now, we're sitting at currently, and I also kind of pointed this out, this is 15th of January, because this is weekly, so that was on the 15th of January high. We're kind of retesting these levels. This December 2017, this congestion, this resistance, so we're kind of in around this level, retesting it, and as you know, it is an absolute snooze fest. Market is dead. There's no other word to put it. There is a lot of over leveraged people looking to either short or long, and for the time being, I'm not looking for any trades around Bitcoin. I'm honestly giving myself a proper break around Christmas time. First of all, to enjoy my family, but second of all, there's no point stressing over this. Even if market moves during Christmas, I'm not going to miss out on anything, because eventually, finally, we're going to get out of this range and we're going to get a maybe clearer direction. And that's what I want. I don't want to stare at a chart for no reason whatsoever, for no purpose whatsoever, and get my head wrecked from it. I really sincerely, guys, advise spend this time on doing everything else but worrying about the price of Bitcoin. If you are, even for the purposes of learning how to trade, go down to smaller time frames, paper trade, even on like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, just to learn how it moves, because the same patterns are repeated on smaller time frames. And I'm not asking you, and I'm not at all advising you to start trading right now on the smaller time frames. It's just hard to learn on the higher time frame right now because of tight range and not a lot of volatility. But you can, if you're really, really itching for that, go down and try it there. The blue line is the 0.886 fib that myself and Bleeding Crypto have explained in our lives. It's a crucial point. It's an important level to keep an eye on. Historically speaking, it's one where a lot of reversal points happen in and around. So it's just something to look out for. It's where whales, where big institutions, where those people that actually matter and make those crazy big moves in the market matter, when they come in, it's the level of bargain, it's the level of discount that they're interested at buying in. Quick look at a smaller time frame. I'm just going to show you what I meant in terms of, and this is pretty good description, guys. Don't even look at this spike here, because this is 20,000, but we're looking at this range from November drop and all the way now to 20th of December. So we're looking at a proper month of nothing, tiny little moves. This is such a small range. We had that spike out here, and that obviously trapped a lot of liquidity here and a lot of bulls. But then back to snooze fest, and look at those candles. Look, this has been, days now where we're just basically getting those spoofs. Point is, back again, not trading this coin, giving myself a break, keeping an eye, have some alerts, of course. But there's so much more that you could be doing right now. You could be doing a lot of research. You could be getting yourself improving on your skills, or basically just taking a total break from the market.